Hi everyone, we are going to be working now on reteaching 89, and this lesson was about mixed numbers and improper fractions. So if you recall, a mixed number means that there is a whole number plus a fraction. An improper fraction means that the number on the top, the numerator, is greater than the number on the bottom, the denominator. Okay, so on this reteaching worksheet, they have already drawn all the circles and divided the circles for us, which is really nice. So we're just basically going to be shading it in. All right, use a pencil to shade in the parts of each circle to represent the expression given. So here, this is the mixed number, 1 4/5. We know it's a mixed number because it has a whole number plus a fraction. So this first circle is going to represent 1, so you can shade in the whole circle. That's 1, okay? And if we had divided that into fifths, that would be 5/5, okay? And then for this circle, we're going to shade in 4/5. So we'll shade in 4 of these sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, leave one of the fifths unshaded because it's just 4/5. All right, so that picture represents 1 4/5. Now here they want us to shade in 9/5. So we'll shade in this whole circle here because that's 5/5. Okay. And then we have to shade in 4 more fifths here. So we'll shade in all the parts except for 1/5. Okay, and you can see how those look the same because 1 4/5 is the same as 9/5. Okay, and so we can count the fifths here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 9/5. All right, let's do the next one. So the next one is 2 3/8 equals 19/8. All right, so for these two circles, we'll shade in the whole circle. So this is 1 whole and 2 wholes. So far that would be 16/8, 1 whole and 2 wholes. And then this one right here, we'll just shade in 3/8 because our mixed number is 2 3/8. So I'll shade in 3 of these 8s. 1, 2, 3, and I'll leave 5/8 unshaded. All right, here we're going to do 19/8. So we'll shade in this whole circle, which is 8/8. And then this whole circle, that's 16/8. 16/8 so far, but we have to do 19/8. So that's 16/8, 17/8, 18/8, 19/8. So then you can see from the pictures that 2 3/8 and 19/8 looks the same because they are equal. This is the mixed number, this is the improper fraction. All right, next one, 1 1/4 and 5/4. So we'll shade in this whole circle because this represents 1 whole for the mixed number, 1 1/4. And then we'll shade in just 1/4 on this circle. Okay, so that picture shows 1 1/4. Okay, then for 5/4, we shade in this whole circle because that'd be 4/4. So this is 4/4, which equals 1 whole. And then we need 1 more fourth. So that's 5/4. And you can see how they look the same. All right, one more. So we have 2 1/3, so we'll shade in the whole circle for the whole number 1, and the next circle for the whole number 2. All right, so our mixed number says 2 1/3. So we have 2 so far. Now we have to shade in 1/3. Leave 2 of the thirds unshaded. All right, then here we're doing the improper fraction 7/3. So we're going to shade in 7/3. So this is 3/3. One whole circle is 3/3. Another whole circle, that's 6/3. So we've got 6/3 so far, and we need to get up to 7/3, so we need to shade in 1 more third on this circle. So you can see that from the picture that 2 1/3 equals 7/3.